Will it activate? Oh, I forgot to turn on voice.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Baldwin County, northeastern Madison County, northwestern Fayette County, eastern Macoupin County, Montgomery County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Girard to near Litchfield to near Alhambra, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Litchfield, Hillsborough, Carlinville, Staunton, Verdon, Gillespie, Nokomis, Girard, Mount Olive, Grinnell, Ramsey, Raymond, Witt, White Oak, Livingston, Farmersville, Taylor Springs, Coffeen, Alhambra, and Tram City. This includes Interstate 55 of Illinois between exits 37 and 63. This also includes Ramsey, Lake State Park, and Lake Lou Yeager.